Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your hero mastery code on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click heroes menu over here, and then you can click in the menu on the left and then click the mastery code. Okay, click the mastery code, and this, for example, I will show you how to upgrade the Balearic mastery code like this, and then you can click the chapter 1, and then you will see the complete task. Okay, deal 1500 damage in total with the deadly taunts, okay, or the skill passive of Balearic. Click claim, and then you will upgrade your mastery code, okay, of your heroes. And then for after that you can follow the quest or the task target over here. Taunt enemy heroes for 30 times in total, and with ancient shield or second skill of the Balearic. And then you will click go. You can play it on any mode on the Mobile Legends like Classic, Ranked, or Brawl, guys. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, you can click like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.